Mr. Chancellor, how are you? Good morning. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Will have to flow to where the workforce is. At 19, Africa's median age is less than half of Europe and comparable to China's median age in the mid-70s. By 2050, Africa will account for a quarter of the world's workforce, the same proportion for China. These visits are the first African state visits to China this year. Members, such a council would better reflect today's geopolitical realities and other principles. Most received only 2.4%. That is very low. I wish to commend China for its leadership in renewable energy technologies, particularly in solar power and electric vehicles.